All right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. It's bench press day. We're not doing any isometric presses into the safeties today, just isometric holds. So I did one hold, 230 pounds. I held that for 18 seconds total. Goal was to be just around like 15 to 20 seconds. Once I timed it out, hit 18. Then we are on to flat bench press, 220 pounds. Working on getting up to 3 sets of 8. So this was set 2. The first few reps were moving really nice, moving fast. Right here, that's where you could see the little hitch. About 3/4 of the way up, starting to slow down a little bit. Wanted to get that 8th rep, so pushed it. You can see bar started coming back towards me. Managed to catch it and grind out that 8th rep. So we're working hard, just rebuilding my base on bench press heading into the new year here. And then we'll see where we're at, and hopefully then it'll start to take off. I'm doing some incline barbell bench press. I haven't been doing any incline barbell bench press, so just doing 165. Hit 3 sets, 9 reps, 8 reps, 8 reps. Once I get used to this movement again, hopefully the weights will start climbing on here. Incline is way easier on my lower back. Since I had my lower back fused, doing flat bench press sucks. It kills my lower back when I get into an arch. But I want to hit that 300-pound bench press, so we're pushing it regardless. Once I hit the 300-pound bench press, go for my 1,100-pound total. That may be the end of my flat bench days. I may just focus on the incline at that point, but we'll see. I enjoy bench pressing, so we'll see where it goes. Here I am doing just bottoms up pressing with the kettlebells. You can see the first set I went to lay back and dropped the kettlebells on myself. So I did 4 sets of these. The focus here is not so much on the pressing. We're just doing the pressing part because it makes the stability part harder. But the focus here is to strengthen my wrists and strengthen my hands. You got to grip like crazy to keep the kettlebells from doing that, falling over and landing on you. Thankfully I had my core tight. It just bounced off. Only 35-pound kettlebells, so nothing major. That was my first set. This is my 4th set. So this one I held at the top for a while, and then we just did nice slow reps. Only hitting like 4 or 5 reps here. My goal will be to work up to double digits on these, and then I'll have to get some heavier kettlebells, but really working on this wrist stability, hand strength, and trying to get these forearms feeling good again. Got golfer's elbow on my left elbow, tennis elbow on my right elbow. Did some ligament damage, so we're focused on getting that sorted out. That'll help with the bench press and just help with back movement. It'll just help with everything when the elbows aren't killing me on every movement that I do. So a couple days after this, I've been doing just a ton of wrist roller grip training, different movements to build my forearms and make these muscles work, take some stress off the tendons. And first couple days were pure hell, but everything's starting to feel a little bit better now. So we'll see where it goes, but things are looking up, so I'm pretty excited about that. After that, did some standing cable presses, and then this is something I saw this on Instagram, but I wanted to try it. So take a band, loop it through a kettlebell, and just do raises with it. So kind of the fun thing here, you can see in the mirror when you watch that, you can see my rear delts popping. Hits the side delts, but you can also, as you go up and you press the band out, really gets those rear delts firing as well. Just something fun, I thought. Lit the shoulders up, but I'm always up for trying something new, hitting a little different stimulus. And I can say without a doubt, these definitely lit my shoulders up. So I'll play around with them a bit in the future. Still love my cable side delts, rear delts. After that, did some supinated pull downs. You can see there, I finally got a proper seat with knee hold downs for my cable tower, so I'm super excited about that. I can do pull downs like a normal person now instead of wedging myself on the floor. Here we go. Here's some of the grip training I've been doing. So added in the wrist roller. This has been really good. So doing this, rotating my wrist towards my body this way really helps with my right elbow, where the elbow pain's on the outside. And then when we go to the opposite side here, rotating my wrist away from my body, forward and down. That really helps with my left elbow where I got pain on the inside. Only a few days of doing the wrist roll and I already noticed that the pain is getting a little bit better. Then we finish up with some very light kettlebell hammer curls. Can't tolerate much yet. We'll just keep building from here. That's it for the workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.